My name is John from Ground Thumpin Motors. I'm in Welaka, Florida. We have 600 people, 1 stoplight, 5 churches, 10 bars, you know, the usual small town. We still can throw candy at our parades, which is super awesome. So we ride our razors downtown and chuck candy to them. We build Polaris engines. We've been doing it for about 6 years now. All we build is Polaris. I've started off building like imports back in the day, little Ford bangers, turbos. That was pretty much my experience with small engines. And then we moved to Florida, and a buddy of mine owned an ATV shop. He's like, why don't you just build Polaris motors, start that off. And then after that, my name just blew up. And since we've gotten our vapor home machine, we've kicked our game up quite a bit. My machine, that Old Faithful, I call her Old Faithful because she hasn't let me down. Like, that pump's pumping, and it's probably had a good 1,000 pounds of material ran through it. Like I said, we just bought that other one, and we just started using that once the new building went up. Yeah, it's honestly, I like the old machine better. Just saying. The window is what gets it. There's little things in these motors like 800 razors and Rangers, the oil relief valve. Like if that gets stuck, like, and it happens a lot, like they'll just blow a motor. And that's another good thing about that vapor home machine. Like, it'll burr up inside that where the little dowel pins rides up and down. The steel in aluminum. So like if it scratches it up, then it gets stuck. Then nobody can get it out. Just a little piece, like a little piece of dirt can just jack up a motor in that, off of that oil relief valve. But that vapor home is just recondition it, make it smooth so it'd slide up and down again. That's where the game is right now. That's everybody asks me, why don't I build anything else? I don't need to. Like, I get so many motor builds for Polaris, I can't keep up with it. Like we build for Monster Jam, tons of dealers, tons of ATV shops in the States. Like, it's pretty awesome that my little Welaka self has grown to what I've grown.
You said earlier you've shipped to how many states?
Oh, I think almost all of them but Maine. That's my phone. And it always goes off. And that's why I build at night, because my phone does not stop constantly during the day.